In this video, we will look at 12 unusual signs that may indicate liver damage. It is critical to recognize these symptoms so that you can take steps to keep the disease from worsening. Your liver has an amazing ability to heal itself, with some help. The widely held belief that liver damage is primarily caused by excessive alcohol consumption is somewhat mistaken. In fact, an overload of sweetened and processed foods and beverages, an excessive intake of omega-6 vegetable oils and fast foods, frequent use of painkillers such as acetaminophen or ibuprofen, viruses that cause liver damage and hepatitis, and so on. If you want to check for liver problems, stick around and watch this video until the end. We'll also talk about some simple home remedies for detoxing your liver and preventing further damage. The first sign of liver problems is light-colored stools. When you go to the bathroom, your liver sends albyl acids to help digest fats from the food you eat, giving your stool its distinctive brown color. However, if you have fatty liver disease or liver damage, this bioflow may become disrupted, resulting in lighter or clay-colored stools. In some cases, the stool may even float in the toilet water due to undigested fat, making it buoyant. 2 is having difficulty with night vision. If you have difficulty seeing clearly in low light, especially at night, it could be due to a retinol or vitamin A deficiency. Your liver's bioproduction helps you absorb vitamin A, which is required for the rod cells in your eyes to adapt to changing light levels. However, liver disease can disrupt this process, resulting in inadequate vitamin A absorption and what is known as night blindness. His symptoms may also indicate a congested gallbladder, especially if you have dry, sore, irritated, or gritty eyes. The third symptom is swollen right foot. When your liver's blood flow isn't optimal, it can cause swelling and enlargement, putting pressure on the portal vein. This can lead to an accumulation of fluid or water in the legs or feet. When you press your finger into the swollen area, it may create an indentation. If you notice that your right foot or ankle is swollen more than your left, this is a common indication of liver damage. Later in the video, we'll go into more detail about natural remedies for improving liver function. Sign number 4. White eyelid growths. Another unusual sign of liver damage is the appearance of small, white or yellowish growths around your eyelids. These are tiny collections of cholesterol deposits that form beneath your skin as a result of the liver's inability to effectively break down cholesterol, causing it to build up in various parts of the body. The fifth sign is pressure on the right side. Another sign of liver disease is a feeling of pressure or discomfort on the right side of your rib cage, especially after eating. Liver damage can cause bile to thicken and sludge, clogging the small tubes that connect to your gallbladder and causing pressure and discomfort around the ribs. This pressure can also affect the phrenic nerve, causing muscle tension and pain in the area surrounding your right shoulder. Sign 6 is the presence of purple and red spots. When your liver is congested, inflamed, or impaired, it produces fewer proteins required for normal blood clotting. As a result, you may be more prone to bruising, and you may occasionally notice unusual purple or red bumps on your skin that look like a rash, as well as small red patches. This is common in areas such as the lower legs or arms, and is caused by poor blood circulation caused by liver disease or diabetes. Moving on to sign number 7, we've cracked heels. Your body relies on vitamin B3, also known as niacin, to keep your skin's strength, smoothness, and moisture levels stable and protect it from damage. However, if you have liver disease, your body uses its niacin reserves to repair the damage, leaving less of this essential nutrient for other functions. This can cause the skin on the soles of your feet and heels to dry and crack. You can address this issue by increasing your vitamin B3 intake and treating the underlying cause, which is frequently fatty liver disease. Another symptom of liver disease is a persistent urge to scratch your hands or feet. This condition is caused by a buildup of bile acids beneath the skin, as a result of the liver's inability to filter these acids properly. This buildup causes an accumulation of histamines in the bloodstream, resulting in the itchy sensation. The 9th sign is to have all white or clubbed nails. If your fingernails begin to turn completely white, losing their natural pink color, or take on a rounded, clubbed, or bulbous shape, it could be a sign of severe liver damage or another underlying health problem. This condition can impair the delivery of oxygen to the nail matrix. Interestingly, in the 1950s, researchers discovered that 8 out of 10 people with severe liver scarring had completely white nails. Sign number 10 is dark urine. Your liver is responsible for breaking down old red blood cells, which contain a yellowish pigment called bilirubin. When your liver or gallbladder is damaged, this pigment accumulates in the body and is eventually flushed out through the urine. As a result, your urine may appear very dark orange, amber, brown, or cola-like, because your liver is not processing the pigment properly. Furthermore, certain medications, such as antibiotics, sleeping pills, and birth control pills, can cause this discoloration by putting strain on your liver. Sign number 11 is yellowed skin. When your liver is not functioning properly and is unable to effectively filter bilirubin from your blood, your skin color may change. This can cause a yellowish hue on the skin, also known as jaundice. Jaundice is a clear indication of significant liver damage, which could be caused by hepatitis, cirrhosis, or drug or medication poisoning. If you notice yellowing of the skin, you should seek medical attention and consult your doctor. Finally, sign number 12 is the presence of spider veins. Spider veins are tiny red dots with spider-like blood vessel extensions visible on the skin. These are blood vessels that have been damaged due to your liver's ineffective filtering of excess estrogen. Elevated estrogen levels can weaken the blood vessels in the veins, causing them to dilate and form spider-like veins on the skin. If you experience any of the symptoms listed above, you should see your doctor and request an ultrasound examination. How to reverse liver disease. As previously stated, the liver undergoes 4 distinct stages of damage. It first accumulates fat, then inflames and forms scar tissue known as fibrosis. Cirrhosis is the most advanced and potentially fatal stage of the disease. Fortunately, there is hope because the liver has the remarkable ability to completely regenerate and recover when you make dietary changes and use appropriate remedies. So, let's go over the most important steps for reversing liver damage. 1. Improve your diet by limiting your consumption of sugary, starchy, and flour-based foods like bread, cookies, candies, ketchup, pancakes, pasta, and soda. A fatty or impaired liver responds to fructose, a sugar found in fruits, similarly to alcohol. 2. Consume plenty of bitter and sulfur-rich foods in your diet. These include artichokes, radishes, garlic, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, kale, cabbage, mushrooms, pasture-raised eggs, wild salmon, oily fish, walnuts, onions, scallions, and broccoli sprouts. Foods high in sulfur can help reduce fat buildup in your liver by increasing glutathione levels and promoting detoxification of harmful substances. 3. Begin your day with a cup of homemade organic coffee and a teaspoon of turmeric. Polyphenols in coffee and phytonutrients in turmeric are effective at reducing scar tissue formation and promoting liver repair from alcohol, drug, or fructose damage. In addition, drink at least 1 liter of high-quality mineral water throughout the day to help thin your blood and aid the liver in producing bile to break down fatty deposits. Consider adding freshly squeezed lemon or lime juice to improve toxin filtration in your liver. Remember to share this vital information with anyone who could benefit from it. Thank you for listening, and remember to always be mindful of the supplements you consume. Thank you for watching, and God bless everyone.